Mount Franklin lookout, and we've just found that the lookout is only 300 metres and the summit is 1.2k, and there's a trail that's about 1.6k, so we're going to go and do Mount Frankland Wilderness Lookout, the summit, and then the trail to the Soho Lookout. A few steps and a few stairs. G-Mar's keen. A ladder. And there's a big rock in the background too.
I don't think I'm going to climb a ladder.
Of course you are, G-Ma. You'll be up and down.
See what it's like.
Leaving this place, the sun's about to break. You're riding shotgun. The feeling we chased, I'm wide awake. Take me away now. 'Cause I won't go down the same old path again now. No, I've been running out of air, so let me catch my breath. Feeling up, it's making me crazy. If I'm having a good time, don't you blame me. Yeah, this feeling I've got's making me crazy. Making me crazy. So I'm just gonna drive. I'm just gonna drive. I'm just gonna drive.
4 times a day. They did this 200-metre ascent to check the weather, check for fires, in between lunch, breakfast and dinner. Here we go, 1, 2.
I'm just gonna drive.
Hooray! Oh, let's not celebrate because we've got these to go up yet.
Yeah.
1,334, 35, 36, 37. Can you get your arms in the air for a hooray? Woohoo!
Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again.
301 steps, hooray! Up to the summit.
We're good, aren't we?
You are? Bloody amazing.
Bloody amazing.
So when you come back in 27 years'
I know.
time,
I was doing it thinking as well.
Hey?
Staggered out of the wilderness. Yeah.
After being lost for days.
Clapping. How did they survive?
Hang on, well, Gma just started off there. Good morning, all. We've got to do that first,
sorry.
Gma. And
Shush now, I don't mean to talk or not. Yeah. Good morning all. We are on our way to abnormal up. And
For a
then,
cuppa.
and then, oh, we're stopping for a couple of abnormal. Right, and then we're going on to walk above the trees. But I don't know where that is.
Valley of the Giants.
I'm going to have to Google YouTube or
YouTube or you may.
yes, so normal up, not abnormal up, as Gma called it, for a cuppa. Valley of the Giants and treetop, the Tingle Treetop Walk. So yesterday we were at Mount Franklin, and Gma, holy moly, 300 steps, 400 metres high, and she did it. Have a look at that video. She did very well. 96, and she can still do that. Well done, Gma.
I know, it's still not bad for that age.
Yeah, at that age.
Terrible if you're only 80, but
Yeah. So, but it's not a really nice day. It's a bit cloudy. Anyway, we had a little bit of rain last night, but not too much. But so jumpers on and going for a cup of tea. All right.
they're ready.
Righto, here we are, Gma. The Valley of the Giants Treetop Walk. We did this 12 months ago, but we didn't do
the Ancient Empire.
We did the Ancient Empire because the Treetop Walk was actually closed for repairs. Was it repairs or fires? So there was one so big that they had a car park through it. The giant. There it is there. Start of the Treetop Walk, Gma. It's a little bit chilly, isn't it? Gma's come from cold UK to cold WA.
I know, I have.
So the Tingle Forest.
Gmo is you've got to do it twice, because the first time you spend a lot of time looking through the camera rather than looking at what's around, isn't it?
You do.
I do, yeah. So we're going to go and do the bottom.
So we're going to do it again,
And
so
then
you can look round rather than at the camera.
Yes.
Rather than through the camera, not at the camera.
Yes.
Don't be racist, right?
Yes.
Don't be racist.
What?
What?
You are? Very pretty though, isn't it?
This is much easier than yesterday's walk.
Oh, well, it is. You didn't have 300 steps. A bit warm yesterday too.
So now we're on the floor of the Ancient Empire. And this is what we did last year, wasn't it, Mrs.?
And I got my jacket on again.
It's the same jacket. It's what happens when you're in a caravan, you travel light. One jacket, that's all we're allowed. Who's this tree here, Gma? It's Grandma Tingle, Gma Tingle.
It's me.
Grumpy and gnarled.
Do I look like that? Yes.
Yes. It's a spitting image.
Yeah.
It's almost like you're looking into a mirror, Gemma.
If I could, I'd stand next to it and you could see.
Oh, Mrs. just pointed that out too.
That's me.
We've already established that though, haven't
I'm
we?
12 metres round and 34 metres high. I blend in. I'm the fire and you're the black. Flowers on it.
Not a queen tingle.
No, the tingle. We've seen Grandma tingle.
Gemma
got
tingle,
king
now we've got a
tingle.
king tingle. Big white on him. Good afternoon. We've just been to the Tingle Tree walk, treetop walk, and the Valley of the Giants walk. We're going to go to the winery that was very close by, but they only sell their wine by the bottle. So Gemma and I have come up with a song for wineries that only sell it by the bottle. Are you ready, Gemma?
Yep.
Come on, missus, you can join in too. Here it is. If your wine's not by the glass,
Up your bum,
if your wine's not by your glass,
up your bum.
if your wine's not by the glass,
Then
you
you
can.
really are an ass.
If your wine's not by the glass, up your bum. There it is. Righto, missus, tell them what we're doing today. What day are we at Denmark? At Peace. What day? What day 3, I think. Peaceful Bay. What are we up to?
So today we're off to Denmark and we're going to call in at the green pools along the way and the elephant rocks because we missed those last time as it was a cloudy day, so we gave them a swim. They didn't look very green, did they?
No.
So green pools, elephant rocks, and then the tastes and delights of Denmark.
There's a brewery.
There's a brewery, there's a winery. Oh, it's a day of leisure.
Is it John Boston wine, the brewery? John Boston.
Not John Boston, just Boston Brewery.
Oh, not John Boston. Okay.
And then a winery which we have yet to decide on which one.
All right. So I'll show you a bit of the rocks that look like elephants and pools that are a bit green. And Gemma, if you're good, brewery and winery.
And maybe a coffee.
And maybe a coffee.
First.
Right, a coffee first. Okay, I'll show you that.
She's on the GoPro. No, I'm on the GoPro. Gemma's on the drone. Bob's just nowhere to be seen, so we've just taken over. All right, fly that thing, Gemma. Whoosh.
I'll be a melody in the night, be like a rhapsody, out of spite. Give me a cue to start the show. Give me 1, 2, 3, let's go. Let me just reminisce for a change. Give you the genesis of my range, and with a